NRDS stock analysis and NRDS stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1 minute video till the end, find out. I'm looking at Nerdwallet. It's at 20% down almost, and it's absolutely being cooked. It's being cooked. I mean, I'm not even trying to be like a hater or anything, but like it's definitely being cooked, which is not a good word. I've spent 5 figures on courses and mentors, called out thousands of quick predictions, and all of it has been documented on my YouTube channel. Regarding this, it's actually, although it's being cooked, it's quite of a boring price action, man. Like it's consolidating. Like I genuinely am looking at these lows just getting cleared because there's just a lot of liquidity there. And yeah, like I'm not gonna assume more like nor guess, but if there's like a double break just a little bit above from where we are right now, it's actually a primed example for a short sell. I'm not like, it doesn't mean that I'm gonna short sell. No, that's why I'm gonna put even in caps that I'm waiting. So stay tuned. If you want to make more money trading in a simple lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.